Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're checking whether a number is a whole number or if it has decimal places. This is useful in math apps, finance tools, or even simple UI validations. Let's jump into the logic that helps us figure this out quickly. Our goal is simple. Figure out if the number is clean or has some extras after the dot. If the number has no fraction, it's a whole number. Otherwise, it has a decimal place. The output will be a message saying which one it is. Now, let's check out the JavaScript code that does this. Here's the function that does the job. We first subtract the floor of the number from the number itself. If there is a leftover, it is a decimal. If the result is exactly 0, then it is a whole number. Simple, clean, and readable, just how we like it. Let's walk through the logic. When we subtract the floor value from the number, any remainder means it has decimals. If there is no remainder, it's a nice and whole. We're using simple math to make accurate decisions, easy and reliable. Here's a quick summary with a few inputs and the results. You can see how easy it is to check. Just look at the difference. If there's anything left over after flooring, we call it a decimal. Let's now see why this matters outside of just testing numbers. This kind of check is super useful in real apps. Maybe you only want whole numbers for counts, votes, or game lives. In those cases, rejecting decimal inputs helps avoid bugs and confusion. Now, let's wrap this up with a few key takeaways. And that's how you check for whole numbers or decimals in JavaScript. We've used just one clever comparison to figure it out. It's helpful for data validation, number formatting, and game logic. Thanks for tuning in and keep building cool stuff. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.